Hi there. It's me, Jennifer Smith, True Love Scam Recovery, Narcissistic Abuse Unwound. Today we are going to talk about when to start recovering. When to start recovering from the hijacking of our lives by a narcissistic, sociopathic scumbag. Because that's what they are. There's nothing normal about them. There's everything normal about us. Normal encompasses all of our weaknesses, all of the things we might consider a fault or someone else told us is a fault or a weakness in our lives. We get to be who we are. We aren't hijacking people, deceiving people, scamming people. They are. They need us to think it's a relationship so that they can keep using us. And it's normal that we perceive them as normal because we don't expect that real life people can actually be monsters. No matter how many Netflix documentaries we watch about serial killers or catfishing or scamming dating app situations, when it comes to the point of our own lives, when someone walks up to us and we think, oh my gosh, I've met the most amazing guy on earth or the most beautiful, loving woman on the planet, we're normal thinking we met somebody normal. That's okay. That's how it works. That's the way it is. When we realize that things aren't normal, when the odd things have accumulated to a place that something in us really warns us, find out what this is. What is this? What is this? That's when recovery can start. And it takes as long as it takes. If you're married to them for 30 years, okay, that's how long it takes. If you're with them for 2 weeks, wow, that's great. That's how long it takes. And anything in between. Please don't judge yourselves for being there, but reach out. Really, really, really. I guide people through escaping, getting them out of our home, leaving the home that we're both in, getting them out of our lives, getting them out of our children's lives, all the time. It's what I do. Bizarrely enough, I'm laughing because I still can't believe it. After my own nightmare married to one of these creatures from hell for a mere 11 months, I came to realize so many things about the reality of this, just naturally, thankfully, or maybe I wouldn't be here right now. Every one of these monsters is identical. I don't care how much money they have, where they live, who they say they are, what social position or professional sort of status they might present to the world. Internally, fundamentally, they're all identical. They operate from an incredibly primal level of taking what they want, making sure they're free and safe to take what they want and get what they want and use people in any way they would like to, because they are parasites. They are predators. They don't have normal human emotions. They do have emotions, but very different emotions than ours. And the problem comes in because we're interpreting what they say and what they do as if they were like us, as if they were normal humans with normal human emotions, or at least some aspect of normal human emotion. They don't have any. And I help people factoring down to that point, that their brains are primal, parasitic, predator brains with zero normal human emotion or concern. This is really bizarre because it's so unexpected, and we still feel, but they must have loved us a little bit, or there must be something beautiful in there, and there just isn't. There just isn't. The point is to be able to keep you safe if you're still in it, first of all. That's the first concern. To make sure that whoever you are, you understand enough, or even without understanding, are willing to do certain things and not do certain other things, not say certain things and say certain other things, so that you are safe while you are still, for example, in the same household with them. That's very, very important. That's one of the first things I do when I'm doing guided recovery sessions with someone who is still inside in a home with the monster. And then we go from there. We go from wherever you are in it, mentally, emotionally, comprehension-wise of this madness and what it really is. Other circumstances, all your circumstances are taken into consideration while we come up with your way out, the way to get them out in some cases. Get them out of our homes, get them out of our lives. Oh, heavens to Betsy, I am sending you all good things. Please reach out. Jennifer@truelovescam.com is the email. The website, truelovescam.com or truelovescamrecovery.com. Both of those are my website domain names. There is a page where you can schedule sessions. You can send in the fee for the sessions. You can always email me. If you look at the session page and have doubts or think, oh, I can't pay that much for a session, or gosh, how could that be worth it? Email me. There is nothing about this that is your fault. There's nothing about this that you can be blamed for. These things happen because these monsters exist. They are the problem, not you. You're beautiful, gorgeous, inside and out. So let's have a talk. Email me, Jennifer@truelovescam.com. Jennifer Smith, True Love Scam Recovery, Narcissistic Abuse Unwound, sending you all good things.